Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat. This is going to be a short and quick tutorial video, so let's get quickly into it. Firstly, open up your Snapchat app. Now from the home screen of Snapchat, you'll need to tap on your profile icon on the top left of the screen. Now from your profile section, tap on the settings icon on the top right of the screen again. Now if you scroll down, under privacy and control, you'll see an option of see my location. Tap on that, and here you'll see an option of ghost mode. Currently it is turned off. To simply turn it on, you can tap on the toggle option and you can choose the custom options. Here it says your friends can't see your location while you're in ghost mode and your ghost trail will be cleared. So if you turn on ghost mode, your location will be turned off. Ghost mode is also used for showing you new updates on your location and new filters that are available. So you can choose any of the options. For now, I'm going to choose until turned off. Now this way your friends won't be able to see your location on the map section of Snapchat. If you guys found this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so you get notified for more future videos. Thanks for watching.